Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Presiden ka BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Mawrie habakren bikinong thok khubor ulaong bakaseng kan penyeng na baro hanriu pautali ki constituency hakani ka election kabanwan ulai thoru bahapo ka artarek urempang kaseng kan sapen benai ki Kyrtong juki Kyrtong kaseng kalayo pediangi ka application na jan baro ki constituency ulai thoru ba Jingdon ki constituency ki bapan Kyrtong bat kin pha ya baro ki Kyrtong saka sarkar pedeng bat ka shanga ka sarkar pedeng ban rai ka Kyrtong jong ki Kyrtong.
We have decided to contest all the 60 seats, and we have already received the application from all the constituency. Some constituency we have multiple candidates, 3, 4, 5 names. Some constituency we have 2 candidates. So we will send all the names to Delhi, and the Central Parliamentary Board Committee, they will decide the final name of the candidate. We have received all 60, but we have uphold 2-3 constituency just to find out some more suitable candidate. Otherwise, the rest we have already received.
How many women candidates were this time around?
Women's candidate we have in Sheila, then we have women candidate in Jirang, Dongpo, we have women candidate in the Salsela, we have women candidate in Dalu, we have women candidate in Mawrie. So I think more than 10 constituency we have women candidate. You see, let me talk about the vote sharing. Last election, 2018, we have contested 47 seats and we have got the vote share of 9.7. And now, according to the survey report which only conducted by the party, we find out our vote share has increased from 20 to 25%. And last time we have projected that we have the potential seat up to 25, but this time we have 35 projected. And we are expected that we will win more seats so that we can lead the government. See, we are not planning to have a coalition with anybody. Let us, after the result, to find out the like-minded party which is going to follow our agenda, free corruption government. That is our issue. That is not the matter. You see, we are the national party. We are having our own style of functioning. We are doing the work in the field. Whether if they declare the ticket tomorrow or after 3 days, it makes no difference. Because we have already started the groundwork long back. And in the organization matter, we are very strong. We have got all the different committee, the Mandal committee, the polling booth committee. Since we are the national party, we are waiting the decision from them, and we have requested them to announce immediately. Some of the constituency we are having 2 applicants, some 4, some 5, some 6. So now we cannot, because today only we are sitting in a meeting, we have make a statement, no? Candidate statement from all the constituency. So we are making the comparison. So after that only, we will let you know. So it's not late. We have already received the application from all the constituency. Only 1-2 constituency left. So today we have the state selection election committee meeting in the presence of our in charge, Dr. M. Chubao and Rupam Goswami as the co-convener, spokesperson from Assam, our Honorable MLA and Mr. Basambor, Bahek, and all the members of the State Election Committee. So we have prepared the list today. We are going to send to Delhi immediately. And within the 2nd of February, we are going to declare the ticket.
Habaya day biki matre kam uba Mawrie ulai thu ba kaseng kala dep ban pen kre Bat kilaya taya kani hatura, ha ka ba kila dep ban pet ye kimat ki badan kam, bat tang sudah pen benai ki Kyrtong, ken sa pelat nyo. Ulaya thu ru bah ka jingya kandu hatura, kilaya keren Halor ka jingwan ban yalap election jong menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi, bat ki wei ki he jong kaseng, ha ka jela hadien ka shipau taring. Ulaya thu ba ki don kumba arphongut ki start campaigner, ki ban yalap ha ka jela.
Manifesto is already prepared and we have already discussed in Tura when BL Santosh, the National Justice Organization, visit Tura. In that meeting, we have already laid down the point for the election manifesto. So immediately, just after the announcement of the candidate, we will release our state manifesto election also. The visit of BL Santosh, first of all, we have discussed about the organization. We are having 24 conferences in Karawels, and we have already have the candidate in all the conferency. Some of the conferency we have the 2-3 applicant, main candidate, and some we have 4-5. So we are discussing on that. And second thing, we are discussing about the tour program of the National Star Campaigner. Even the Honorable Prime Minister is going to tour. Date is not fixed, but just after 10, maybe 11 or 12, he'll be visiting 3 main part of the state, like Jaintia, Khasi and Garo. So we are going to prepare the meeting for the public rally.
So you are saying the 3 meetings of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is fixed for?
Yeah.
And Amit Shah?
Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh, Smriti Irani, this are what they call Nitin Gadkari, Om Birla, this what they call all they will come. So we have almost 20 star campaigner,
And all this...
Union Minister and some Chief Minister of other state also they will come to campaign for election here. Because they are going to sit serially, not only Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Meghalaya. So we are waiting for a call. I may be traveled to Delhi immediately, maybe latest by 30th. So I'm waiting for their call. The day when they sit the Central Parliamentary Committee, they will invite us to Delhi.
Presiden ka BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Mawrie habakren Halor ka Jingdon ki Kyrtong ki badan dak Sniew na kaseng uloang ba haduk menta kampat dan AA hendai ki don ki Kyrtong ki badan ye ki kies ki bakum kaseng kampat yo Jingtip bat kitang suyo Jingtip Halor ka ni kin sabut ki kendon ki ba ka ECI ka labha ban penmi hagilat pathai khubor.
No, till today we don't have any information like any of the candidates involved in the criminal. Maybe some candidate they have some case which we have not, it has not come to our notice. So the moment it comes to our notice, we'll publish it in the newspaper. We'll follow the guideline from the Election Commission. No, till today though we have not identified, we have not received any information. So when we receive the information, we will follow according to the guideline of the Election Commission. We do it accordingly.